depletes stamina, and depleted stamina takes time to recover. Okay, let's take the route we planned. We're off to a statue of the seven. Which of the seven are you looking for exactly? Oh, wow! That's a statue of the seven. There are a few of these statues among the seven gods. Paimon will take you to the animal god's place. As we all know, poetry and language flow like the wind. There'll definitely be someone there who knows about your sister. At least that's what Paimon thinks. Whether the gods actually answer you is a different story. You never know unless you try. So let's hop to it. You can swim right over. Did you just... Seems all you had to do was just... As much as they may want it, people in this world... It's if we keep heading west from here, well, Mondstadt is the city of wind, so perhaps because there are also Let's move then! The elements in this world...
Windblade! Disappear!
These are the animal powers you got from the Statue of the Seven. Oh, Paimon's so jealous. Why doesn't Paimon get cool fighting powers? Huge! In the sky! It's headed towards the heart of the forest! We must proceed with caution. Look at that!
Don't be afraid. It's all right now. I'm back.
Is he talking to a dragon?
Who's there?
Luckily, Paimon managed to grab hold of your head. Just what was that? It definitely has some... Yeah. Oh, what's that? There's some kind of shiny red... Let's go take a closer. Be careful. Paimon doesn't have a good feeling about this. Paimon's never seen a stone like this before. All Paimon knows is that it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now. Okay, we've got...
Hey, you! Stop right there! May the Animo God protect you. I am Amber, outrider for the... You don't look like citizens of Mon...
Well, we're not looking for trouble.
That's what all the troublemakers say. Doesn't sound like a local... And this... mascot. What's the deal with it?
I mean, we've only been we've already become...
So to sum it up, you... Well, look. There's been a large... It's not far from here.
Oh. Aren't you out here for some...
I am, but not to worry. I can keep you both safe. Besides, I'm still not sure if I can trust you to... Oh, I'm sorry. Probably not. I give you my apologies.
That sounded so fake.
Do you have something against the type of language usage prescribed? Outrider Amber, reporting for duty. Just say the word if... So, suspicious travelers, what are you doing in Mondstadt?
He got... Paimon is his travel buddy, helping him to find his sister.
Oh, looking for your family? Huh. Okay, let me finish my other stuff first, and then I can help you put up posters around the city.
A hilly churl.
Quick, get it!
Windblade!
These monsters have been getting too close to the city recently. My task this time is to clear out their camp.
Right.
Nothing to it. Though I've got to say, you surprised me a little with your move. Thanks for the backup. How'd it feel?
Now that you mention it, how is it the hilly trails ended up here? These creatures don't seem like the type to set up...
Exactly. It's more, but because the dragon, Storm Terror, has been around a lot, when the storms hit, we usually end up with at least a few injuries.
So these annoying creatures have been getting close...
Exactly. That said, come with me. A responsible knight.
What's that? It smells so good!
Let me officially introduce travelers under the protection of the Knights of
Finally, no more having to... But the city...
Everyone's been put out of place, but everything will turn out fine.
Jean?
Acting Grand Master of the Knights of... With Jean on our side, surely even the vicious storm... Before I take you guys to the Knights of... It's a reward for helping me clear out that hill...
Hey!
Because this reward is you, but I'll treat you to a tradition. Sticky honey! Come with me. We'll head to the city. This used to be a bustling street, but with so many storm terror attacks recently, the usual crowds are nowhere to be seen. Except for the local tavern near the city wall over there. They haven't been affected. If anything, their business is better than ever. So, a wind glider. Outriders use them to ride the wind. I brought you here to give it to you, so you can...
Oh, you're really
Well, that's because the wind is the... It's easy to use, but you still... The sky...
Huh? How are you staying afloat like this with just a wind glider?
I'm preventing your fall with the power of 1,000 winds. Now, concentrate. See yourself grasping the wind. Harness its energy.
Who said that?
Are you hurt?
You've actually got the power to go up against the dragon. Are you a new ally? Or a new storm?
Storm Terror is attacking Kaya, Traveler, you've come at the right...
Hold on, Amber. Are you perhaps forgetting to introduce us?
Oh, right. Right. This is Kaya, our These two are travelers from afar.
From afar. Is that all we know?
Long story short,
I see. Welcome to Mondstadt. Though you haven't, I understand the anguish of being separated. I'm not really sure why you're looking for the Animo God, but everyone has their secrets. Relax. I won't. First and foremost, on behalf of the Knights of Favonius, I would like to extend our thanks to your fight to defend the city against the acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius.
This seems to be the Knights of Favonius headquarters. Let's head in.
Jean, what's the hurry? I thought we agreed to meet them here.
There have been sightings of storm terror outside the city. Once we meet, we must...
Relax. I'll lend a hand when the time comes.
Jean, I've brought them. And once it was over, I brought them.
Mondstadt welcomes you, windborn travelers. I am Jean, acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius. This is Lisa, our resident librarian.
Oh, are you sweeties here to help us out? You're both so adorable. Sadly, the timing is regrettable. Storm terror has caused quite a ruckus in the region since its recent... Simply put, Mondstadt's elemental sphere and ley lines are now akin to a For a mage, it couldn't get much worse. My skin is one elemental part...
If it weren't for this interference, the Knights of Favonius would have better ways to help. We simply ask that you repose in Mondstadt while we help you seek out your sister.
Paimon will help too.
Good. In that case, we need a plan.
With storm terror now directly attacking Mondstadt, we may have an opportunity. Lisa has revealed the sources of storm terror's power with her...
Is that so?
They're located in the abandoned Storm terror's ability to whip up these...
Our objective is to deal with 3 of the 4 temples. I trust everyone understands why we are only...
Paimon doesn't.
Knights of Favonius, the storm is rampant. There's no point in maintaining... All right, we need to take initiative and act before...
From now on, the adventures will probably get more and more dangerous. We should make sure we're prepared. We could start by going to Mondstadt's blacksmith.
This is it. One of the deserted temples of These temples have been left to wait. There's a chance there's a monster. Even Storm Terror has given up. Yes, I also find it hard to accept, but...
Huh?
Wait! Did you just feel the wind here? Something... Let's go in and take a look. Be careful. The Bet you can't keep up with me. You can use that console to open the door. Wow, I can see so far into the temple. I prepared my secret weapon, explosive puppet Buried Bunny. Are those explosive barrels over there? Well, one shot should be able to blow them up.
Windblade!
Dragon's breath! Is that where the power's coming from? Phew, but at least this way we've helped in the past. We were at least able to defend this, of course, is most. But now with Storm Terror, direct the winds change. So too should our tactics. It's what Lisa liked. Speaking of which, if you want to learn more about our history, I'm not saying I don't know our I mean, a librarian is...
You've arrived. Come closer. Can you smell that? Something must have happened in the temple. I imagine there will be slimes, hilly... Oh, yes. It is going to be lively and... Oh, it's a pity that the Temple of the Wolf has been disturbed. Let's head in. No one makes offerings to the four winds. We need to clear out the temples. Let me show you how the Knights of Favonius... If I'm not mistaken, the end of the temple should be up there.
Wait, how do you know?
Experience. The kind of experience you get after years of dealing with things like this for others. Traveler, unless I'm mistaken, you don't seem to have a vision. So how exactly is it that you're able to channel elemental energy?
It was a very strange occurrence.
Cool it! Freeze!
Ah, finally, we're here.
Seems the path ends here. Let's use the wind currents to fly up.
Water! We can use this to put out fire.
Good idea. That's some keen observation. We should get Jean to give you a title and make you a knight. Dodge this! Speaking of, did you know? Storm Terror was once one of the 4 winds. I'm not aware of the exact details. If you're interested, you can ask the acting Grand Master about it.
Is that the thing that Storm Terror is using to gain its power?
Seems probable. Bravo! You are, to my surprise. The battles you just fought were sights to behold. Stories of your heroic deeds please do visit me at our headquarters when you... I also know a lovely tavern. Quite rewarding, no?
We've seized another temple from Storm Terror's grasp.
I can take care of the rest here. You go take care of other things while I'm at it.
See you later then, bye-bye.
There's no way hilly turtles organized an ambush like this themselves. Not with their limited mental capacity. Thus you were behind this.
Knights of Favonius, always so inefficient.
Agree to disagree, but your involvement in this just made things a whole lot more interesting. Kaya, Knight of Favonius. Please allow me to...
Hey, cutie. You're going to help me out? Don't hesitate to come to me if you need anything. Good question. Basically, things other than that would...
So,
I guess I could... I knew it. There is a strong elemental energy coming from deep within this temple. Paimon, are you able... Let's ride this wind current, shall we? Leave it to me. It's an electro-monument. No wonder. Let me try to activate it with a bit of electro power. Stand back, sweeties. Come a little closer. You've been a naughty boy.
Dodge this! Wind blade!
You're in for a little shock. When it comes to wet enemies, I've got them covered. Oh, another wind current. Let's ride it up from here.
Freeze! With the wind! Cool it! Wind blade!
let it rain.
Oh, so sorry. Dodge this!
Let's spark things up a little. Chain lightning can be set off between electro-charged opponents. The electrical discharge caused by friction is only a little less shocking. Oh, you want to know about this gem? You're kidding. You're seriously asking? This is a vision. It's used by the Chosen to draw on elemental powers. In terms of mysticism, I suppose you could call it a magical lightning rod. What? You've never seen a vision? Just where exactly are you from? Are you a hilly churl with some level of reasonable intelligence? No, I doubt it. After all, he'll break it, and we can head home and relax.
Oh, it's one of those consolidated wind things. Let's head back to the statue of the...
Dragon of the East. They are the four winds of Mondstadt, affiliated with the Dragon of the East, Storm Terror. Though most in Mondstadt seem to have forgotten that and all. So now you know why Dvalin is only able to channel 3 of the 4 because it has been consuming itself from the beginning because of hatred.
Hatred?
Hatred for Mondstadt. Hatred drove it to become something more powerful.
But why would one of the 4 wind hate the city it was supposed to...
As a child of Mondstadt, it's... Here, take this. It's a...
Well, you should come with me. Paimon will tell you about the rest.
I don't... Don't worry, darling. I'll take very good care of you. So...
Well, all that lay, flow, want to go back and see how the nights are? But if you got anything more interesting to do... By the way, we obtained another animalculate. We might come across more of them in the future.